Welcome to the Virtual Techy, where we help people decode the future of tech and build AI businesses that run on autopilot. Before we go further, get yourself a pen and paper or get your notepad ready as we delve into today's topic. So for the next few minutes, we're going to talk about how to build a business for 2026. And here's a hint, it's not about working harder. It's about building an automated machine that works for you. We're talking about a huge shift in how small businesses need to operate. You know, getting away from that burnout and moving towards smart, automated growth.
Let's just start with this core truth right here, because if you're a small business owner, you've probably felt this deep in your bones. That constant pressure, right? The to-do list that never, ever ends. It just feels like you're always playing catch-up. Well, that's not just unsustainable, it's a completely broken model. And it is definitely not how you're going to build real wealth in this new AI era.
So this slide really lays out the choice we all have right now. On the left, you've got the old way, just pure brute force. Grinding it out 16 hours a day, trying to hire a team you can't really afford, and just heading straight for burnout. But look over on the right. This is the new way. You're not the grinder anymore. No, you're the architect. You're designing a machine that does all the heavy lifting for you. Okay, so here's our blueprint for today. We're going to quickly touch on why the old way is dead, and then we're going to build our brand new automated system across 4 key pillars: your operations, your marketing, your sales, and finally, your company's core knowledge. So, section 1, let's just officially put the old way to rest. Because honestly, understanding why it's so broken is the first real step to building something that actually works. This right here, this is the new mantra. Your value isn't measured in the hours you grind anymore. It's in the systems you build. See, grinding is linear. 1 hour of your work gets you 1 hour of results. But building a system? Oh, that's leverage. 1 hour you spend building can give you 1,000 hours of output down the road. That's the game we're playing now. All right, let's get to building. First pillar up, the business's nervous system. I want you to think of this like the central command for all your operations. We're going to automate all those core tasks that keep the lights on so you don't have to. Oh man, does this look familiar? That endless, soul-crushing admin work? Manually copying a name from an email, pasting it into a spreadsheet, then into your CRM, then into an invoice. It's not just boring, it's an absolute criminal waste of your most valuable asset, your focus. And the solution can be surprisingly simple. I mean, look at this. A workflow built with a tool like NNN can just run on autopilot forever. A new lead signs up on your site. Boom. They're automatically added to your CRM and they get a personalized welcome email. And you only get a little ping on Slack if it's a high-value lead that really needs your personal touch. Just like that, your whole lead intake process is automated. And this is the real payoff. This isn't just about being more efficient. Every single process you automate is buying you back a piece of your life. That's time you can now spend on big picture strategy, or with your family, or just, not working. You are literally buying back your freedom with automation.
Okay, so your operations are now on autopilot. Fantastic. Now, let's tackle the next huge bottleneck, marketing. I mean, how can you be everywhere at once without ever leaving your desk? Well, it's time to clone yourself.
We all know video is king, but let's be honest, making it is a pain. The whole setup, the lights, the endless retakes, the editing, it's exhausting. For any busy business owner, it's usually the first thing that gets pushed to the side. Now, this is where it gets absolutely wild. Tools like Higgs.ai are completely changing this game. Forget the camera, forget the lights, you just write. You write a script for a new product launch or quick client update, you paste that text in, and the AI generates a professional-looking video of you, your digital clone, saying those exact words. Just think about the power here. You can now create personalized video messages for every single lead. You can create daily social media content. You are literally cloning yourself, creating this whole army of digital salespeople that are out there working for you 24/7, even while you're fast asleep. So your marketing machine is humming along now. It's generating leads. But what happens when they actually start calling you? We need to build our third pillar, a 24/7 sales agent that never ever misses a call. It's a simple and kind of painful truth for any small business. Every single time that phone rings and you can't get to it, that potential customer is going straight to your competitor. You just can't be available 24/7, but your business has to be. So the solution is to be always on.
You need an always-ready front line for your business. No more lost customers, no more missed opportunities, period. And look, we are not talking about those annoying press 1 for sales robots. Modern voice AI agents built with tools like Vappy sound remarkably human. They can answer common pricing questions, they can check your real-time calendar for availability, and then book qualified appointments directly into your schedule. It's like having the perfect receptionist who never sleeps and never has a bad day. Okay, we've automated operations, marketing, and sales, but there's one final crucial piece to this puzzle, and this one is all about you, the owner. It's time to build your AI corporate brain. Just think about it for a second. If every question, every proposal, every key decision has to go through you, well, your business can never scale beyond you. You become the bottleneck, the single point of failure. Why? Because all that critical knowledge, it's trapped right inside your head.
And this slide just shows the transformation perfectly. By getting that knowledge out of your head and putting it into an AI system like a custom GPT or a tool like BuddyPro.ai, you fundamentally change your role. You go from being a stressed out operator, constantly putting out fires, to a strategic owner who can finally see the big picture. And there you have it, the complete AI stack for a totally automated business. You've got your operational nervous system powered by N8N, you've got your marketing clone created with Higgs AI, your 24/7 sales agent run by Vapi, and your corporate knowledge managed by your own custom AI brain. The key here is not to get overwhelmed by all this. Just look at your business and ask yourself, where is my biggest bottleneck right now? Is it all the admin? Is it creating content? Is it missing calls? Just pick one, just one, and make a plan to automate it this week. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe so the algorithm can recommend more of my content to you and other viewers as well.